Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm going to make a sweet parsnip and goji berry soup. To make the soup I've got 3 parsnips, which is roughly 100 grams. I've got some golden syrup, some goji berries, sunflower seeds, 2 cloves of garlic, a vegetable stock cube and some extra virgin olive oil. The parsnips are peeled and then I'm just going to cut them into small pieces, and I try and keep them as roughly the same size as possible so they cook evenly in the oven. Now they are all cut, I've put the oven on at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius, and I'm just going to mix some of the olive oil with the golden syrup and paint it over the parsnips so I get a sweet and crispy texture to them. Once they are thoroughly covered, I'm going to add the 2 garlic cloves and bake them with the parsnips. Now that's done, I'm just going to pop them into the preheated oven for around 40 minutes and keeping an eye on the temperature and turning them down if they start to burn. So now after 40 minutes I've put the parsnips in a bowl to cool down slightly, and I'm going to get that juicy, oozy garlic out of its shell ready to go into the blender. So now I've made a cup of the vegetable stock and everything is ready to go. I'm going to add the vegetable stock into the blender in increments to make sure that it mixes nicely. So now I have a cup of the cold water and I'm going to mix that in to ensure the finest viscosity. Yes, today I read a dictionary. So I now have a silky smooth soup and I'm going to put it into a pan and heat it through. At this point I'm also going to add the goji berries, which gives it an extra tang of sweetness and earthy taste that goji berries bring. Now all I need to do is keep stirring it to make sure it doesn't burn, and heat it through slowly and add a touch of salt and pepper, and then it is ready to be served. And that's how easy it is to make delicious sweet parsnip soup. It's got the goji berries, which have now hydrated slightly from the liquid in the soup, and they're going to be chewy, and you've also got the crunch from the sunflower seeds on top, and the garlic will shine through the sweetness from the parsnip and the golden syrup. Thanks very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below.